butterfly wings.
Hello, no people. You don't know if you hear the voice is the voice of the Gryzzly Bear. You see me, I say beer vibes, beer fun, beer things, representing for Reggae Vibes Media. Watch you now. More about awards. What do you? What do you? Big bad artists. Wap, 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 wap. Piano. Coco. Come on, no man, people. The youth are work hard. Collab with Nicki Minaj. Collab with all sort of artists all over the place. Come on, no man. Come, no man. Hats up to the artist. Skillibeng. Skillibeng. Hold on, no man. Hold on, no. What them say? The new king. So watch you know. You know what I mean? Recently interviewed. You know what I mean? The artist say I'm the greatest dancehall artist in that era. Yeah. Because I remember say a new generation, new era. Yeah, if you agree with me, you know, see there. Comment. If you agree with me, like. If you agree with me, share. Remember, if you don't subscribe yet, the notification bell there. Bing, bing. Yes, man, but Skillibeng. Yeah, brother. The nomination up. Yes, the nomination up. Yeah, the space open and it there. I'll be here X for some bad run here. You see me I say? Yeah, them do them time. Them reign in them era. So come like a new king rise round here. Eh? Yeah, man, you hear it right here, man. Right here, say you hear it first. Yeah, right here, say you hear it first. Skillibeng, new dancehall, king, the king of dancehall, the Skilly. Come on, man, what day them go to announce or something here? Chris Brown say, well, we need to buy the ticket them, you know. Because me and my brother, I got roll out. You know what I mean? We got roll out at the big bad show. So they need to get on the ticket for see Chris Brown and the one Skillibeng a shell it way. Youth, I proud, me a Jamaican. Ya win, me a win too, yeah. Yeah, youth. Big up yourself, Skillibeng. So me I say, yeah, I'm the greatest dancer in that era, yeah. Zin, so does that mean sizing up with Kartel? That means say, what that mean? Where am I say? Want to tell me, you know, cause it sound like, you know what I mean? Yeah, me a rasta but come like beef a cook. You see me? Now I say so, you know, but I want to know if a size must size up with these great ones. You know what I mean? I put in so much work for years. You know what I mean? Popcorn and them man there and you know what I mean? Think about it. Think about it. You see me I say? Or just Skeng and Josh them.
Hey boy! Yo, Reggae Vibes Media. You know the thing go. You hear me I say?
You see me I say? He might put himself with. You see me? But more have to know people because right now the artists are going good more about awards what there. Him and Chris Brown, you know what I mean, have an upcoming show where them are going to shell way and be things. You know what I mean? The artist's life look bright. You know what I mean? The career look very illuminated. You see me I say? Yes man. So more have to know. Because right now the artists are talk ball, you see me? Skillibeng, you know what I mean? The greatest dancehall artist of this era. Yeah, walk around with him head high. Yeah, people, so let me know what I go on. So people, like, comment and share. Remember, you know, you can also leave a comment. You can relate to what me say. I'm relate back forward to you. You know, we can have a debate about the whole thing. I'm gonna just start this video, any video. So remember, you know, press the notification. Ding dong. That bell there. Yeah. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to Reggae Vibes Media. You know what I mean? For the latest update, entertainment, but reggae music, yeah, in a yard. Right there, so. You don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Bear and I'm out.